Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Nupur Patel. US winter storm to bring blizzard, tornadoes and floods. A large winter storm slammed into the western US over the weekend, blanketing mountain areas with heavy snow and is now set to traverse the nation, threatening dangerous blizzard conditions, strong tornadoes and flooding this week. The winter storm is a true coast-to-coast, top-to-bottom impact that will be felt by every person in the country at some point this week. The storm already brought avalanche warnings to parts of the west, shutting down major highways as conditions become icy. Almost 15 million people in over a dozen states are under some level of winter weather alert as a powerful storm moves across the country, bringing with it its multi-day severe storm threat. The storm will strengthen as it travels eastward, bringing snow to the Rockies tonight, where a foot of snow is expected before the system strengthens even more. The upper Midwest and northern and central plains will get hit the hardest Monday night into Tuesday as widespread heavy snow falls. Snow accumulates through Tuesday morning will generally range between 6 to 12 inches, centered on the northern high plains, the US Weather Prediction Center said. The highest snow totals are currently forecast for western southern Dakota and northwestern Nebraska, where upwards of 18 to 24 inches is possible. Meanwhile, a widespread area from eastern Wyoming and Colorado to western South Dakota and Nebraska will also have a winds gust as high as 60 mph. Heavy snowfall and strong winds will set to stage for a blizzard, leading to whiteout conditions and impossible travel. Blizzard conditions are when there are sustained winds of 35 mph or higher and visibility below a quarter mile for at least 3 consecutive hours. Winter storms alerts stretch from the Canadian border to the Mexican border, and blizzard warnings extend from just west to Denver into the Dakotas. All preparations for this storm should be well underway and completed sooner rather than later, the National Weather Service officer in Rapid City said. Some locals inside the blizzard warning areas could pick up as much as 20 inches of snow. The winds could be strong enough to knock down tree limbs and cause power outages, and the harsh conditions could be deadly for anyone outdoors. The cold wind chills as low as 20 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes, the Weather Service officer said. That's all for now. For more news updates like this, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.